Another entertainer tonight. Let's introduce you to the entire entourage we have at the toss. Starting with the skipper, Akhil Akineni, Telugu Warriors. Alongside him, Mr. Kicha Sudeep, Captain Karnataka Bulldozers. To adjudicate the toss, we have Mr. Prabhu Ponnuswamy, our match referee. A very warm welcome to Ms. Lakshmi Raju, founder and director, Astrid World School. A warm welcome to Mr. T. Lakshminarayana Swamy, trustee, SNR Group, and president, Coimbatore Cricket Association. Thank you so much for being here. And last but definitely not the least, Mr. Sachin Joshi, owner Telugu Warriors, is with us for the flip of the coin. In a moment's time, let the coin go up in the air. Kicha, give it a flip. Heads is the call and it's tails. You gave it a fantastic flip then. You've decided to, Kicha sir.
We'll chase.
What's the reason behind chasing first on this track?
I think it's just the pitch and the dew factor.
Dew factor. The team's ready to go as always?
Yeah, it is. We have already traveled here, so we are ready. And ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you so much. Have a fantastic game then. Akhil, the promise has been delivered. Now it's about the transformation. What would you have done had you won the toss?
Honestly, we were going to bat first. I love the wicket. I think there's no dew factor today. So it's going to be a nice wicket to bat on. I think it'll slow down in the second innings as well. So I'm happy. Team is happy. Like you said, a promise was delivered last game, but it's a whole new level. You have to get to the semis.
All the very best then. Have a good one.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So the news from the centre, it's the Karnataka Bulldozers who won the toss and they've decided to field first. Hello and welcome to the post-match presentation of another entertaining game of cricket. The Telugu Warriors came with a promise and they deliver. They put it past Punjab, they share and get their first points on the board. Without further ado, let me introduce you to the wonderful presentation party we've got. Mr. Sridhar Rao, MD, SV Infra Projects. Very warm welcome, sir. Ms. Gunjan Taneja, founder, Uclean. Mr. Vamshidhar Reddy, the Managing Director, SV Infra Projects, is with us. And Mr. Puneet Singh, owner Punjab Desher. Let's dive right into the awards now. First up is the Red FM Entertainer of the Match. I request Mr. Puneet Singh to give away this award to Taman Anna. Never too far away from a dance, never too far away from a moment that will be etched in our memory for a long, long time. We groove to his music. It's time that he grooves as well to show us those moves. Well done, Tamanana.
Love you, Captain. Thanks for scoring the fantastic 100 and getting the team's spine back. And what energy today, team, from the juice guy also.
Thank you so much, Taman. Next up, we have the best batter. I request Gunjan Sharma to give away this award, Gunjan Taneja. This beautiful trophy, do you know who it belongs to? It's Akhil Akineni, the best batter. Thank you, Akhil. Best bowler now. Best bowler, I request Mr. Sachin Joshi, who's made his way for Vamshidhar Reddy today. So you would probably give this one away. This beautiful award is going to be in the hands of Vinay Mahadev. 3 for 22 when it mattered the most. Everybody was preparing for the fast ball. He prepared for the slower one and then the slowest one. It worked wonders. Well done, Vinay. Next is the Player of the Match award. I request Mr. Sridhar Rao to give away this very important award to Akhil Akineni for that fantastic century. The Player of the Match today, Akhil Akineni. Akhil, if we can have a few words with you. A promise was made and the promise was delivered.
Absolutely. Promise is a promise. Matichamo, Matichamo. Every time I come here, my voice is gone. But when my voice is gone, I'm batting better.
Voice is gone, the timing is back. Having said that, it was a complete team effort. Yes, you scored that century, but the way the others batted around you. Tell us a bit about that moment.
My century does not matter when you have 52 runs difference between the other team and us. The bowling unit has delivered way more than I have. This is for them. Thank you, boys. We made a promise to each other that we're going to come back as champions, and I see the champions back. Thank you.
And finally, if you can tell us any message to the fans in Telugu, because they were backing you from ball one.
Well, we're back. The momentum is back with us. Ostunamu, Kortunamu. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akhil. The player of the match for today, Akhil Akineni. That wraps up the presentation down here. Back to you in the commentary box.
बड़ी जीत यहाँ पर 4 टाइम चैंपियंस तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की। और कल संडे का दिन जहां पर वेल्स चेन्नई किंग्स अपना पहला मैच खेलेंगे, सामने होंगे बंगाल टाइगर्स, और दूसरे मैच में वापसी करने की उम्मीद रहेगी मुंबई।
कर्नाटक बुलडोजर्स और तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के बीच आज जबरदस्त मुकाबला देखने को मिला, और इस मुकाबले में क्या कुछ हुआ एक बार फिर से नजर डाल लेते हैं। बैटिंग कार्ड पर नजर डालें। कर्नाटक बुलडोजर्स ने बेहतरीन शुरुआत की। प्रदीप ने 64 बनाए 33 गेंदों में, राजीव ने 54 गेंदों में शतक बनाया, 107 रन बनाए, और डार्लिंग ने बढ़िया साथ दिया उनका 20 गेंदों में 43 रन बनाकर, और इससे बढ़िया शुरुआत हो नहीं सकती थी। और ये जो साझेदारियाँ हुई, शतके बनाए, उसको किस तरह से पिच के दोनों और विकेट के दोनों और बढ़िया शॉट देखने को मिले। भरपूर मनोरंजन हुआ, कुछ बड़े शॉट्स, कुछ ताकत भरे शॉट, और जब जब गेंद ऊपर मिली उसको कितना दूर पहुंचाया जा सकता है। ये देखिए शतक बनाया, और शतक बनाने के बाद उन्होंने अपना बताया कि मैंने मैच शुरू से पहले ही बता दिया था कि मैं शतक बनाऊंगा।
गेंदबाज में कुछ विश्वास नहीं था। विनय महादेव को 1 विकेट मिला था, और उसके अलावा बाकी सारे गेंदबाज आज बिल्कुल भी प्रभाव नहीं डाल पाए, क्योंकि डोमिनेट किया आज बल्लेबाजी ने, और 227 रन बना लिए केवल 17.2 ओवर में, और मैच को 9 विकेट से जीत लिया। और बहुत बड़ी जीत दर्ज की वहां पर कर्नाटक बुलडोजर्स ने। मैच समरी पर नजर डालें तो तेलुगु वॉरियर्स अपनी 20 ओवर में बनाए थे 226, 5 विकेट नुकसान पर 132 रन बनाए थे अश्विन ने, और अखिल ने 44 रन बनाए थे, और अरुण, करण, प्रदीप और चंदन को 1 विकेट मिला। जवाब में कर्नाटक बुलडोजर्स ने बिल्कुल बुलडोज कर दिया आज पूरी तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की टीम को। राजीव का शानदार शतक, प्रदीप के 64, डार्लिंग कृष्णा 43 रन, विनय को मिली 1 सफलता। 9 विकेट से मैच जीतकर बड़ी जीत दर्ज की है कर्नाटक बुलडोजर्स ने। और आइए नजर डालते हैं पॉइंट्स टेबल के ऊपर। कर्नाटक बंगाल टाइगर्स सबसे शीर्ष स्थान पर 6 पॉइंट लेकर, कर्नाटक बुलडोजर्स दूसरे स्थान पर 4 पॉइंट पर, भोजपुरी दबंग्स 2 पॉइंट, केरला स्ट्राइकर्स 2 पॉइंट, तेलुगु वॉरियर्स 2 पॉइंट। और अब जो डिसाइड होगा कि ये जो 3 टीमें 2-2 पॉइंट पर हैं, इनमें से कौन सी टीमें सेमीफाइनल में पहुंचेंगी। और चलते हैं अब सुहास के पास प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए।
It was a run feast here for the fans in Coimbatore, 450 plus runs. And as we promised you, when Telugu Warriors take on KB, Karnataka Bulldozers, it's always a contest to relish. It's Karnataka Bulldozers who put it past them quite easily in the end, hunting down the target of 227. Hello and welcome to the post-match presentation. It's time to invite everybody over here. Very warm welcome, and let me introduce you to them. Mr. Sridhar Rao, MD SV Infra Projects joins us. Very warm welcome. Ms. Lakshmi Raju, founder Astrid World School. Dr. Vanita, founder Astrid World School. Mr. Sachin Joshi, owner Telugu Warriors. And Mr. Vamshidhar Reddy is with us, MD SV Infra. Very warm welcome, sir. Now, before we dive into the awards, it's time to have a word with the captains. Let's have a word with the captain who came second, Akhil Akineni of Telugu Warriors. Akhil. Akhil, things didn't go according to plan, but it's been a very important season nonetheless when it comes to team dynamics.
Absolutely, that is cricket. I want to firstly congratulate the Karnataka Bulldozers, where you don't get to see a game like this. So being part of a adrenaline rush, a roller coaster like this, to put on a show, this is what we're trying to do. So thank you, boys. Thank you for that. We've done it together. I appreciate it. They've played really well and they've outplayed us today. So hats off to them.
It was an incredible innings as well from your ilk. A word on Ashwin and the way he went about after you were back in the hut?
Absolutely. To put 450 runs onto the board between the two teams, you need some magic. Ashwin on our side, Rajiv on their side, even Dhruv with a great start. But today was Ashwin and Rajiv's show. Together they put on one of the greatest shows. It was just unbelievable to see that sort of hitting. I think it happens very rarely. I've been with CCL for a long time. I think we've seen this just a few times and we witnessed some magic today.
When Akhil Akineni promises, he delivers. What's the promise for the next season for the fans, please?
Well, we keep coming back as hard as we can. I'm coming for them, definitely. See that man standing there? The tall, strong man. I'm coming for them. But we always enjoy playing them. CCL is about sportsmanship. I always appreciate that we play in the right spirit of the game and put on a show for everyone. We'll be back strong. Thank you.
Hard luck today. All the best for the next season, Akhil. Akhil Akineni, the captain who came second. It's time now to speak to the winning skipper, Kicha Sudeep. Karnataka Bulldozers. When you won the toss, you didn't say you want to field first. You wanted to chase. Boy, was this a run chase.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಹಲೋ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಐ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್.
At the toss, usually when someone wins the toss, they said, we want to field first. You said, no, I want to chase. And this was a run chase for the ages.
No, somehow I think I've always gone by my instincts, sir. And we always, in the dugout also, we thought we're going to bat first today. That was the decision that was taken that we'll bat first. But I don't know what happened during the toss. I just felt they're going to put up a big show and I thought I'll believe my batsmen. And actually I went back and apologized to my team's decision that I think, boys, I just changed the decision and we're going to chase. And I think we're going to believe our batsmen. And I was very sure that they're going to put up a very big score because of the pitch and because of their game plan and their batting lineup. Somehow, even after a big score of 127, I just went back. I said, we are going to take this. If they can, we can. And we are going to do it in style. And we did it. It's not that... playing against Telugu Warriors, I think, has always been a great game because I think they are great sportsmen. They have great talents and they get the best out of us also. And we have always been honored to play against them. And today was one of the greatest games, I guess. Yes, sir. The decision went right.
You summed it up beautifully. Congratulations on the win. Celebrate hard. All the very best for the next one.
You have no idea how we are going to celebrate, so thank you.
Kicha Sudeep. As always, there is enigma around him. And what a finish indeed. What a victory for them. Let's now dive into silverware. The first award we have is the Entertainer of the Match award. I request Dr. Vanita to present that wonderful trophy. It goes to JK for grooving to Kicha Sudeep's drum beats. JK, where are you hiding? I know you'd be tired. JK, this award belongs to you. And it's come with Aparna. Well done. Congratulations, the Entertainer of the Match, an award we introduced in season 12 of CCL. It continues to distribute joy, not just awards. Congratulations, JK. Next up is the best bowler. I request Mr. Vamshidhar Reddy to give away the best bowler. It has to be Pradeep. On a small ground where everybody was going for runs, Pradeep held his nerve. Well done, Pradeep. The change in pace, perfect. He thinks like a batter when he bowls. He thinks like a bowler when he bats. That's why he's always one step ahead. Well done, Pradeep. Now to the best batter. I request Ms. Lakshmi Raju to give away this award. It has to go to Ashwin for that magical 132. Ashwin Babu. This was an outstanding innings. After the captain departed, you were there to ensure the scoreboard read a good total. Well done, Ashwin. Magical innings indeed. Now for the last award of the night. the Player of the Match award. I request Mr. Sridhar Rao to give away this award. It's Rajiv Hanu collecting this for an unbelievable century. 108 for Rajiv Hanu. And there couldn't be a more special entry than this. Rajiv Hanu, the second centurion of the day. Second centurion of the game. Rajiv Hanu, by the time you come to his, you look more like Triple H. Well done, Rajiv. This award would be very, very special, along with the others you collect for your art. And what does this say? Yes, it's time to reveal. I write when leaving home my 5th 100 at CCL. I love Karnataka Bulldozers. Congratulations, Rajiv. 108 not out. You were phenomenal. Very quickly, if you want to tell something to the fans, please.
Thank you so much, Karnataka Bulldozers. Thank you so much, Karnataka Bulldozers, keeping that faith on me. And I give this and dedicate this to my mother, Anusi Amma. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all the entertainment, Rajiv. Well, that's all we got for you from the post-match presentation of yet another very special day here in CCL. That's a wrap from us.